Hey guys, welcome to What to Do channel. Today we are doing another thing that I really like to do a lot, and that's restoring a Sandpro 14. Actually, we have 3 Sandpros. None of them are running, and we really need to get one running. And they're all 3 different models. So basically what this project is going to be is restoring at least one of them from all of these Sandpros and get it running. So I chose the Sandpro 14. This is what it looks like. That's the machine right there. And I got some Toro paint. There's not a whole lot of black on this machine, but we got one can, some paper, block off some areas so we don't, from overspray, some tape. But this machine it's been sitting for years and years and years and pretty much left for dead. The tire I just pumped up. It's not holding air, it's leaking out of the bead. So we're gonna have to steal a tire from another Sandpro. There's our engine cover there. But you can see the everything is just really faded, chipped up. She's aged a bit. The motor, not really sure, probably gonna need to be tuned up, but this one seems to be the only one together as a whole. I have a Sandpro 5020 here, which this had no power going up the hills, so we're having a hydraulic problem we're trying to diagnose now, whether it is the pump or the wheel motors. We have this one here, and you can see it's all ripped apart. No motor. Not really sure what's wrong with this one. It appears to actually be in pretty good shape. This was given to us by Lawn and Golf, so I want to thank them for that. And story is, I guess it came from a baseball field and the motor blew in it. So we're going to take parts, a little bit of parts from each one of those Sandpros and put it on this Sandpro 14, and we're going to try to bring it back to life. Kind of get this thing looking like something again. I like to make them look good because when the guys are sitting on something nice, they tend to take care of it more. They just appreciate the equipment better, and it makes my job easier. Not only that, you want to keep an appearance when you have people on your course and you see these machines going by. Let's get started. All right, so I got all the taping done. I'll show you real quick. Now I am going to order new stickers from Toro, but for the time being, I taped them up. And I just did a test with some paint here. You can see how shiny that's going to come out. This is going to look pretty amazing. Pretty excited about it. But yeah, I got most of the areas taped up where I believe there's going to be overspray and stuff. It's important that you do a real nice job. We want this thing to look like it just rolled out of the factory. And that's what these pieces of paper come for. There's places I just can't get tape into. So I'll hold a piece of paper up there, like behind the wheel there. Things like that, over the motor when I get to it. But that's the stage we're at. We're taping up, and I'll be back. All right, so we are 3 hours later. I just want to do the little reveal here. Total transformation. I changed the oil, changed the plugs, changed the hydraulic filter, and adjusted the carburetor a little bit, and everything seems to be running really good now. So basically a machine that was left for dead, once again, I was able to bring it back to life and make it look really, really nice, and hopefully it's going to serve them for years to come. They certainly needed this. So this is going to conclude part 1. Hit subscribe below, give me a like. I do these videos daily, and I'll see you next time.